Hello, I'm Anna, and welcome to a special Decenomy tutorial that will guide you through using any Decenomy wallet. For this video, we will be using the Decenomy wallet. However, as always, the procedure is the same for any Decenomy wallet. With our Decenomy wallet open, we will run down through all the options on the left throughout this tutorial. As we can see in the image, we have Home, Send, Receive, Contacts, Masternodes, and Settings. On the top of the home page, we can see Total, the total of the coins owned. Available, the total amount of coins that can be spent. Locked, the total number of coins locked in the masternodes. Immature, the coins that do not yet have enough confirmations to generate staking. And pending, coins received in unconfirmed transactions. Also in the home page, we can see more information on the tabs on the right. All, you can see all transactions. Received, transactions of coins received. Sent, transactions sent. Mined, coins mined or generated through mining. Minted, coins generated by staking. Emit and reward, coins generated by the Masternode. And to yourself, transactions sent to ourselves. Through this filter, we can select to view the transactions that interest us. On the tab to the right of this, we can see from the dropdown, date descending from the most recent to the oldest transaction. Date ascending, oldest to newest. Amount descending, from largest to smallest transaction. Amount ascending, from smallest to largest. If we then look at the top of the wallet, there are a number of other functions we can select. The first is Synchronized Block, which shows us the status of the wallet synchronization. We can also see the Staking tab, which shows either Staking Active shows the active status of staking, or Staking Disabled, staking is disabled. Next to that, Decenomy Config, used to open the wallet configuration file. And then Masternode Config tab, used to open the Masternode configuration file. Moving across more, we have Debug Console, to give commands to the wallet manually. And then Active Connections, the active connections in our wallet. The Lock item next gives us a drop-down with the following options. Unlock Wallet, used to unlock the wallet for any operation. Lock Wallet, used to lock the wallet. Staking Only, the wallet is unlocked only to allow staking. And beside that we have Dark Theme, used to switch from dark to light theme. The last tab is FAQ, which is for frequently asked questions about the wallet. Beneath these tabs, we can see an additional information panel showing Masternodes. You can see the number of masternodes owned. Next collateral, value of the next collateral. Collateral, value of current collateral. In how many blocks will the collateral increase? Down the bottom right of the home page, we can see our rewards chart. Masternode and staking rewards can be identified by their color coding on the chart. The total amounts can also be seen to the right of the chart. Moving on to the Send section, on this page we have a number of different options also, such as TRTT address or contact label, used to enter the address to which you want to send the coins. Amount, to enter the amount of coins to be sent. Address label, this is an optional field. If the address is in our contact list, the label will be displayed here. On the bottom is a few more options, starting with Customize Fee. With the Customize Fee option, it allows us to adjust the transaction fees so we can speed up transaction times. However, it is only advisable to adjust this if you are an experienced user. In the images above, Clear All is used to clear the fields seen previously, and Add Recipient is used to add additional recipients to the transaction. After clicking Add Recipient, we can see a field has been added where you can enter both the address and the amount of coins for a second recipient of our TRTT. On the right, we find 3 dots where there is the possibility to add or remove this address from the contacts. Then down the bottom right is the Send button used to send the coins. On the top right of the Send section, we can see some more options. Coin Control, used to select the inputs to spend and to block or unblock them. Change Address, to select a custom change address. Open URI, used to open a payment request from the web. Selecting Coin Control opens a new pop-up window. Here we can see Amount, the sum of the coins of the selected inputs. Quantity, the number of inputs selected. Fee, the preview of the transaction fees. By clicking on the checkbox, you can select or deselect the inputs that will be spent to send our funds. Pressing OK confirms the changes made. By clicking the Change Address tab, again a new pop-up opens. This is used to customize the address for receiving the unspent coins from a transaction sent. The Open URI tab is used to open a payment request from the web. On the bottom right, you will also see a Reset to Default button. This is used to cancel all changes made. Now let's look at the Receive section. Here we have QR, the QR code associated with our TRTT receiving address. Add Label, used to assign a label to a generated address. Generate Address, used to generate a new address. And Copy, to copy the address. To the right, we have some more options. Create Request, used to generate a QR to request a payment. My Addresses, list of our addresses. Upon clicking the Create Request button, we are presented with some fields to fill out. These are Amount, insert the coins we want to request. Label, label to be associated with our payment request. Description, add an optional comment. Generate, used to generate the QR code. Upon clicking the My Addresses button, we get a new pop-up like in the image above. This will show a list of addresses we have used in the past. We can then filter them as follows: by label, order by label; by address, order by address; or by date, order by date. If we now click on the Contacts tab on the left menu of the wallet, it brings us to the Contacts section. From here, we can view all our current contact addresses, but also we can add new contacts by filling out the fields in the form as per the image here. For everything to do with our masternodes, we can click on the Masternode tab on the left and enter the Masternode section. In here, we can check the status of our masternodes and access some functions for their control, such as Info, used to see the information of your masternode; Start, to start the masternode; Delete, to delete the masternode; Create Masternode Controller, used to access a guided configuration of your masternode; Start All, to start all masternodes; Start Inactive, to start only inactive masternodes. Some masternode states you may come across, and what they mean are: Enabled, your masternode has been enabled and is running on the network. Active, your masternode has been activated and is running on the network. New start required, your masternode needs to be restarted. Go to your local wallet and start your masternode. Expired, your masternode is not on the network. Simply restart the alias and wait 15 minutes. If that doesn't work, set up your masternode from scratch using a new transaction ID. Removed, your masternode is down and removed from the network. Simply restart the alias and wait 15 minutes. If that doesn't work, set up your masternode from scratch using a new transaction ID. Lastly, we can click the Settings tab and talk through the different options in this section. On the left, we get the following options: Wallet Data, access wallet features; Tools, access some utilities; Options, generic wallet settings; Debug, access console and repair options; Help, frequently asked questions. As per the image in the top right, from the wallet data, we can access Wallet, where you can back up your wallet or change your password if encrypted. Also is Export Accounting. You can export the history of transactions or your contacts in Excel format. In the Tools menu, we have Sign/Verify Message. From this section, it is possible to sign a message to prove that you are the owner of an address or to verify a signed message. Also in the Tools menu, we have BIP38 Tool. In this section, it is possible to encrypt or decrypt a private key address pair. In the Options menu, we have Main. These are generic wallet options, for example, such as automatic start when the computer is turned on. Then Wallet. From here, you can change some connectivity options or staking settings. And also Display, where you can change the language, the amount of decimal units visible, or you can hide or display the staking graph. Clicking on the Debug tab then gives us the following options: Information, wallet information such as synchronization status, number of connections, and wallet version. Then we have Console, used to access various wallet control commands, and Console Input. Here you can type the desired command. Some of the most frequent used commands are help, command that shows us the list of all available commands. Get info shows wallet information such as version, protocol, blocks, and connections. List transactions show a list of the most recent transactions. Add node to add new peers. Create Masternode key to generate a new Masternode key. Get Masternode outputs to see the list of eligible transactions to start a Masternode. Set stake split threshold used to divide your coins to optimize staking. Lastly, we have wallet repair. This gives us a number of important options. Salvage wallet. Try to recover private keys from a corrupt wallet. Rescan blockchain file. Search for missing transactions in the entire blockchain. Recover transactions 1. Recover transactions from the blockchain while keeping the metadata. Recover transactions 2. Recover transactions from the blockchain without keeping the metadata. Upgrade wallet format. Updates the wallet.dat to the latest format. Rebuild index. Rebuilds the blockchain indexes. Delete local blockchain. Deletes all local blockchain files to synchronize the wallet from scratch. And that's it. You can see from the extensive depths taken in our new Decenomy Standard Wallet designs that Decenomy is aiming to revolutionize the Masternode and POS sector. Not only through our wallets, but also across our codebase and our coin use cases, we will be setting new standards for the proper way things should be done. Thank you again for supporting Decenomy, and as always, please feel free to check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel.